Good morning children. I am Suvarna, your physics teacher. In last video we have to discuss the acceleration and equation of uniform acceleration. But in this video we are going to learn about the topic is this is the last topic of your lesson. Children, let us go last topic of your lesson children, lab activity. So let us go with us. In this lab activity, what is the aim of this is to find the acceleration and velocity of an object moving on an inclined track. So what is this? To find the acceleration and velocity of an object which is moving on an inclined track. So to draw the graph between distance and time. Okay children, on the required materials, glass marbles, book, digital clock, long plastic tubes and steel plate. These are all the materials which are required to do the experiment. So now let's go for the procedure. First of all, take a long plastic pipe and make it in the form of a track. In such a way, if you place a marble here, somewhere, then it will be easily flowing in the track up to bottom, and keep this track such a way the one under the of the track must be there on the book. These are the files of the books children. Keep some 4 to 6 books in the same size which are there in the same size and should look like this. Placed on this bench or a table on the next end of the track. Must be there down and here near the second end. Place a steel plate in such a way with marbles which you have placed here. Repeat moves and strolls on this track. And it comes to the down point, it will strike the steel plate. In such a way, the digital clock also you will be taken now. So, and there is some usage of this digital track here, and this is the way how to place all the first. We will enter to the procedure. On this track, mark the readings in centimeters. Start from downward side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, hardly you will be getting some 50 to 60 centimeters of track you will be getting there. Now place the marble at any of the centimeter. You choose the distance, let it be 30, 40, whatever it is. But if you are taking distance 50 or 40, the same distance, three trials you have to take. Take a digital clock into your hand and wherever you choose the distance, where you have to keep the marble. Now, when you start these marbles on the digital clock, when it reaches the bottom of the track, it will strike the steel plate. Once you hear the sound, then stop the digital clock and note down the time, how much of time you have taken, and reach from there to here. The tabulation must be this. This is tabulation children. First one, distance and time, and each distance you have to take 3 trials. In each trial you have to note down the time, and average of these 3 you will be getting as the average time. How to find the average children? Here tabulation T1 plus T2 plus T3 by 3 you will be getting the average time. And once after getting the value of T, substitute here 2s by T square formula. 2 into S means how much of distance you have taken in centimeter by how much of time you got square. T into T you will be getting back. Like that you have to do for 2 to 3 distances. And now find the values 2s by T square. Once after getting this, draw graph between S and T value, and you will be getting the slope. It's nothing but acceleration with which the marbles is moving on the track. This is the way how to find out acceleration, and we have finished our lesson children. So this is the way how to find the acceleration, and we have finished our lesson children. For the next class, we will come up with the new chapter and you read the textbook and you go through the exam problems based on the equations which have been given for you. Okay, go through the textbook once and twice. Okay children, now thank you for your attention in this class.